Right, so while I'm waiting for parts, I thought I'd give them what's open to me now a good check over, and it's always best to look around, see if there's any possible defects or early warning signs or any more issues that might come across. Also, you might find another culprit to what was causing your problem. And while doing that, it turns out now I need more parts. First thing I noticed, I was having a look up here, is around here. You can see it all looks a bit moist. Well, the area around the sensor looks clear. I've had to clean that up, I'll tell you in a second. But yeah, on certain areas you can see it looks moist, not dry, moist. But it was really bad around here, so I took the sensor off. I'll see there should be an O-ring in there. And that's what it looked like. That was how I took it out. I didn't do that, that's how it was in there. So, while I'm waiting on an O-ring for the starter motor down there, I'm now waiting on another O-ring. But one of the other things I was doing is obviously tying up some of the electrics. I think a bit of the loom was split back here. I've taped it up and marked it for future reference, so you know it's been split before. Also, I had to retake this up because the previous sheathing was a mess. Also, right down here, when everything's over it, you've got this connector here. Well, not this one. This one. And it is disgusting. It was disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Why they would put a non-waterproof connector down there, I do not know. But there is now. And just as I thought I was done with the bike, I mean, so far, let's just quickly get through what we've done so far. Well, just getting to the starter motor and the other terrors, this excluding the job we're doing at the minute. The other terrors we've located so far is deck bolt and deck bolt. One was lying down there, one was lying down there. I know, quite terrifying. Don't know how long that had been like that. This had a broken connector on it. No. Yeah, this one was broken. We've replaced the connector on that. Also, just to point out, good tip to anyone, if you wonder if anyone's ever worked on your electrics before, how's that for a good sign? I can't pick it up, but you see two in there are gold, the rest are silver. Two in there are gold and the rest are silver. Two in there are gold and the rest are silver. I haven't done that, but it's a sure sign that someone's been on these electrics before. The only problem is, just as I thought I was done for the day with electrics, so I've checked up most of it and thought, yeah, hooey tooey. I was just stinging around down here, and I clocked this. Man's work is never done. Never zoomy. There you go, look at that. It's not too bad, I mean, I know enough now to sort that out, it's not too much of a problem. But those wires, and the ones that are broken, well, looking like that. If we go to the trusty manual, this ain't I was having problems with my starting and everything. That's that wire there. Oh, I'll come out of zoom so it works better. go. But that's that wire there, them two bust ones, and I believe that black one there, or possibly that one there. Either one's, well, those are not too bad, but they're both a ground. I'm just hoping it's not for that one. But, well, I'm guessing it is because of the issues I've been having with my starter system. But I'm on a high thoughts that the two bust wires are these two. Hence one of my issues why I was having trouble starting. I mean, the starter motor was in a bad way, but it wasn't bad enough to... It was still not bad enough to think me that's enough of the concern. I think we've now found the issue. Took right down there. So nice, simple, easy enough fix, but... damn thing. It's electrical issues for you. You can dig, and sometimes they're just completely hidden. I didn't even spot that one. But yeah, thoroughly check electrics. And thank God I did clock that. Because yeah, that's ignition. I mean, there's two black wires, so I'm not sure which is which, but one of them is obviously goes to my starter motor. Will explain a lot of the issues I've been having. So yeah, corrected. Till next time.